Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. So, in this video, we are going to see about water, the topic water. In that, we are going to see about potable water. Potable. The spelling says P-O-T-A-B-L-E. Okay? No R will not come there. It's potable. The actual spelling is potable water. What is potable water? Drinking water. So, drinking water only we call it as potable water. Water that is good for drinking and also which is good for cooking. That water is also called as potable water. So, how the water should be? Potable water, how it should be? It should be free from dangerous chemicals. There are some dangerous chemical that is mixed with the environment, that also mixed with water. So those chemicals should be removed from the water. Then only the water will be good for drinking. Next, transparent. 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 We know what is transparent. In the previous thing we saw that transparent is something that allows the light pass through. So this water should be clear enough to allow the light to pass through. And odorless. Odorless, that is without smell. We know that water does not have any smell and also it does not have any color also. So the potable water should be odorless, without any smell and also without color. Free from disease causing bacteria. The drinking water should be clean, without bacteria. Bacteria are small microorganisms which we cannot see. So these kind of things can be removed from the water. Some places the water will be with all these things. Maybe with some dangerous chemicals, transparent. It won't look clean. Sometimes smell, color, everything may change. So what they do, we use water filters, right? In many of your houses they use water filter like AquaGuard and all that, and also there are many other kind of water filters available in the market which we use to make the water potable. Next topic is about sources of drinking water. Sources means where and all we get drinking water from. So we saw that rain is the primary source of drinking water. Why it is called as primary source, the basic source? Because rain is a very clean water, is the cleanest form of water ever in the whole world. So this rain only gives water to the river, lake, stream, well. It fills everywhere. So that's why it is called as primary source of water. So because of rain only, there are places where there may be no water at all. So those places also get water because of rain only. Okay. So next is river. Rain gives water to river. River flows from mountains and all the way to the sea. So on the way, where and all the river travels, the river gives water. So such water is also good for drinking, and that also should be checked before drinking, because there are some other impurities, like all these impurities may be present in the water, which should be filtered. Next is lake. Lake is also main source of water, where we get drinking water from lake also. From lake, it is supplied to the whole city. Next is stream water. Stream is nothing but the smallest form of river. Very, very, very small form of river where we get drinking water, which is good for drinking. Next, well water. You know what is well? Many of the houses still you have well, right? Where you get good drinking water from.